Hey, do you want to get free traffic from the #1 content site in the world? Yes, targeted free traffic is just 4 simple steps away. Today I'm going to show you an amazing 7-in-1 software that can start getting you free traffic and page 1 rankings just like this. And this. And this. And because of these top rankings, you could start getting affiliate commissions and sales just like this. Now imagine getting daily sales like this from free traffic, and all that without any hard work, without any experience, and without building a single website. No need to learn SEO or write hundreds of articles to get traffic. Are you wondering, well, how is this even possible? Well, you know Google is the biggest source of free traffic on the internet, right? We all know that. But do you know what's the second biggest source of traffic? Yep, it's YouTube. And yes, YouTube right now is the second highest ranked website in the world and gets the highest number of visitors after Google. And the best part is YouTube is like a little brother to Google and gets a bit of unfair advantage when it comes to rankings. And that is why when you search for anything on Google, YouTube videos will show up before all the regular websites. You could see the #1 to #4 positions are all videos, and most of the visitors will go there. Now imagine being able to get the same unfair advantage for yourself and rank your videos right there in the top spots of Google and YouTube. Yes, when you can rank on page 1 on 2 of the highest traffic sites in the world, you know what you get. Lots and lots of free traffic. And the best part is you don't even need to build a website to get all that traffic. Now, if you do everything manually, it can take you days, weeks, or even months to get those top rankings. And that's why we've created an amazing 7-in-1 software that helps your videos reach the top spots in Google and YouTube. Introducing TubeRank Machine. This is not just one software, but actually 7 different software products built into one. And that's why it is way more powerful than anything you've ever seen before. Want to see how it works? Well, let me show you. Once you log into TubeRank Machine, you will see all the 7 different tools right here on the sidebar. Clicking any one of them will open the software for you. Now, the thing about YouTube is you basically need 4 things to rank a video and get free traffic. You need the right title for your video, rich with keywords. For that, we have the title generator software, where you just enter a main keyword, and the software brings you 20 of the hottest titles there are on YouTube. Now, you can download all of them in just one click, and then easily mix and match the words to make them your own. Next, you need the perfect description to rank your video to the top spots of YouTube and Google for free traffic. Again, one click and the software brings you 20 best descriptions that you can find for that keyword. Download them all in one click and you can create your own in just seconds. The next ranking factor for videos is having highly relevant tags. Now, tags are a huge thing for YouTube, and that's why having a lot of good tags is really important. So you go into the tag generator software here, and you can easily generate hundreds of tags, again, with just one click. Now, you can select the ones that you want, or you can select all and download them instantly to add into your video. And finally, the most important thing that ranks videos to the top spots of Google and YouTube, backlinks. Just like websites, even videos need a little bit of extra push to rank higher than other videos. And that's where backlinks are very useful. Thanks to the Link Builder software, you can get hundreds and thousands of backlinks in just one click. You could put your video code here and select how many backlinks you want. Add the keywords that you want for these links and press one button. Our minions will get to work and build your links within 24 hours. That, my friend, is all you need to quickly rank your videos on Google and YouTube and drive lots and lots of free traffic your way. But this bad boy does a lot more for you. Riding on hot new trends can be your ticket to thousands of free visitors taking your site viral. And the Trend Finder tool does exactly that. It finds you hot new trending topics from different countries instantly. Want to find hot new niches and keywords for your videos? Well, the Keyword Finder does exactly that for you, and in just one click uncovers amazing new keywords for you to help get more traffic. And the Video Rank Checker instantly shows you where your video is ranked and what does your competition look like. You know what? The tracking your videos is so super important now, and this tool is just what you need to do that. All these are amazingly powerful tools that, when put together into one software, creates a massive explosion of traffic and rankings for you and your business. And the best part is, you don't need to download or install anything. No fussy setup needed. This is fully web-based. Just log in online and start conquering traffic and rankings immediately. Having this software on your side will empower you to beat all those competitors, claim all their traffic for yourself, and generate hundreds of sales and leads for yourself in a matter of hours, not even days. So, are you ready to start getting free traffic, sales, and commissions without doing all the hard work? Are you ready to instantly get access to the most powerful video ranking software you've ever seen? I know you are, and that's why from this page and this page only, you can get immediate access to TubeRank Machine, our amazing 7-in-1 video marketing machine that will help you get thousands of new visitors and get free traffic like you have never seen before. Hundreds of users are having amazing results from this software, and you need to get on board this software today. All you have to do is click the button below and get your access today. We have a special offer going on right now, so the price that you will get will be the absolute lowest you will ever see. So don't wait, take action now. Click the button below and get instant access to TubeRank Machine.